In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account to manage client accounts. So you can just type Google Ads Manager into your search bar and you'll see a pop-up here that says ads.google.com, and what I want you to do is click on Manager Accounts, as well as make sure your clients have Google Ads accounts as well. So once we click on Manager Accounts, we're going to click over here where it says Go to Manager Accounts. Then we need to put in a display name and make sure that the primary use of the account is marked as Manage Other People's Accounts. Fill out all your information and tick I'm not a robot and then hit Submit. Now you can just click on Explore Your Account, and now we have our Ads Manager account set up. Now, whenever you need to add new clients to the account, all you want to do is go to the left-hand side of the screen, click on Accounts, then click on Sub Accounts. Then you want to click on the plus icon under Sub Account Settings and click on Link Existing Account. So remember, your client must also have Google Ads accounts. And what they are going to do is they're going to give you the 10-digit ID, which is right next to your name. And you're going to paste in that 10-digit ID or type it in. Make sure the manager is set to your account name and click on Send Request. This is going to send them a link and they merely have to accept the link. That is all. And when that's done, their name will be in the sub-account settings and you can manage their ads account. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.